Peeps, welcome back to another video. And if you've been watching the channel for a while, or you discovered us through our Destination Geek coverage of geek events and theme parks and things like that, some of that stuff is coming. It's just not happening right now because, well, it's January in Virginia and none of the theme parks and that kind of stuff is open. But we certainly have a lot of plans in the coming months. So if you're interested in Destination Geek stuff, make sure to keep checking back. In the meantime, you know, what we try to do is vary the types of geek type stuff that we can have on the channel. And so today is going to be another merchandise unboxing video that kind of goes with some of the stuff that I've been showing you guys lately, which is my love of Funko Pops. I'm sitting in a different area of my office than I've shown you in the last couple of videos, just to kind of give a different background. But I am going to do a collection video probably within the next week or so, so you guys can look forward to that. But I wanted to do a mail call and an update on some of the stuff that I've been picking up lately. So I'm going to start with this. The other day I showed you guys the new Heroworld line of figures that Funko is releasing at Target. And so I went back the next day and I picked up the Hawk Girl, Hawk Man 2-pack. And so I have now completed my set of Heroworld from Funko, of the DC ones, the DC line that I was interested in. So, one more thing that I want to show you before I get into the big box, but I got this other box in the other day, and in this one is, and in pretty good shape, actually, thankfully, unlike the Kylo Ren I received the other day, is the Funko Pop Walgreens exclusive Anakin Skywalker. Young Anakin Skywalker, I should say. And so the cool thing about this is that Funko really hasn't done a lot as it relates to the prequel trilogies of Star Wars movies, probably because no one really likes them. But they have released a couple of small figures, and this is one of the few that have been released for it. It just came out the other day. Like I said, Walgreens exclusive, so I was able to order it online, didn't have to rush out to all the local Walgreens and try to find one. And it looks like there are more coming, including, let's see if that focuses, Padme, I think, is an Emerald City Comic Con exclusive, which is coming up in February. There's Young Anakin, and there's a couple of other folks out here. So, here it is, the Young Anakin Skywalker Funko Pop, a Walgreens exclusive. So, as you guys know, especially if you've been watching my Force Friday videos and stuff for a couple of years now, I am a huge Funko fan. And so out in the state of Washington, there is a Funko headquarters. It's their Funko factory. They also have like a giant store there that looks absolutely incredible. I would really, really, really love to go there one day and bring you guys along with me and show you how crazy cool this store is. They have like a Star Wars section and a Harry Potter section and just all sorts of amazing stuff. And one day we will get there. I just with this past year, with all the travel we've done, haven't really prioritized a trip out to Washington, and the Funko store I think is only like a year or two old. But definitely we'll be going out there hopefully within the next year or so, and we'll bring you guys along with us. But they actually released a special edition Funko Pop at Toys R Us about month or two ago, and it was Geoffrey the Giraffe, the Toys R Us mascot, and I was really wanting it. And the reason I bring that specific pop up is because inside that pop, or inside one of those pops, there was a golden ticket, and the golden ticket got you in like a flight out and a tour and a trip to Funko headquarters. And so I went to Toys R Us. Actually, the morning it came out, I had forgotten it came out. And I realized it like 15 minutes before Toys R Us opened. Zoomed over to Toys R Us, and sadly the person right in front of me got the last one. But oddly enough, the Bearded Pop Hunter, who is another YouTuber, I'll put a link to his videos down below, so you should check him out if you're interested in Funko Pop stuff. Was able to go and get one. But what I noticed with a lot of these, with a lot of the folks there for the Geoffrey the Giraffe is that they were buying it as collectors, but not to open. But the only way to know if you got the golden ticket was if you opened the Funko Pop. So, more stock was made available on ToysRUs.com, and I was finally able to order one. And I'm assuming that's what's in this box, otherwise this entire intro is for nothing. But let me open this up carefully. Now, it's a big box, which, you know, could be good, could be bad, because the pop itself could rattle around inside here. Let's see, with all this, I mean, I'm going to show you the inside of this box. Clearly, stuff has been rattling around inside, but hopefully, the Geoffrey Pop is in, it's you know, it's not in bad condition. So here is the Geoffrey Pop, Geoffrey the Giraffe, and right here you can see a little golden sticker because here is the indication of the Funko Golden Ticket Sweepstakes. There actually is another way to enter, though I believe there are mail-in entries, which is actually how I entered the contest. But mail-in entries must be postmarked by January 15th and received by January 22nd. So if you're watching this, this video releases on January 14th, but the contest, like I said, ends on January 15th. So there is a chance that you can still get your mail-in entry if you send it in. I will actually put the address right here on the screen. And you send in a 3.5 card with your name, age, address, phone number, and email address. And I'll put all the information here on the video so you can see if you're interested. Now, the reason that most folks aren't opening this is because, unlike other pops, there's tape on this one. And so you would actually have to break the tape to open this pop. There's tape on both sides. So here is a better look at Geoffrey the Giraffe. Now, for me, I actually really want to know if I got the golden ticket. So, I don't know, you know, I don't have a blow dryer or any type of, like, weird shenanigans to open it special. So, I'm going to open it, guys. I'm going to open my Geoffrey the Giraffe. Wish me luck that the golden ticket is in here. Alright, opening it now. I'm not seeing anything, but I don't know how they're stored in here. Alright, ooh. Alright, so Geoffrey fell out. Show you the inside of the box. Nothing. No golden ticket. No, nothing. Sorry, guys. We are not going to Funko headquarters anytime soon, unless I won via my postcard entry. But, well, let me show you unboxed Geoffrey the Giraffe, because probably not a lot of videos actually to show you that guy. So here is Geoffrey the Giraffe. Trying to focus on him here. And this is how the Geoffrey the Giraffe looks. I loved this guy growing up. Actually, if you've seen my Rogue Friday video or Force Friday 2 video, you'll see that we were able to convince a Geoffrey the Giraffe to come out and greet the folks in line. Alright, guys, so sadly, no golden ticket, just empty box and Geoffrey. But still, pretty cool. I wanted to show you guys that Geoffrey the Giraffe. I've been excited to get that and get my chance at a golden ticket. Sadly, did not happen, but one day we will bring you guys to the Funko headquarters. So, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe and notification buttons down below. More merchandise in the coming weeks, more unboxings, more Funko Pop stuff if you like that kind of stuff. In March, we'll be going back to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. And actually, there's a bunch of stuff that I can't talk about yet, but you'll see it when I can. So, we will see you guys next time.